Our planet is covered mostly by water. This water is home to an amazing variety of animals. From tiny plankton to giant whales, the underwater world is full of life. Let's dive in and explore this fascinating realm. We'll meet creatures with incredible adaptations. Some can breathe underwater, while others hold their breath for a long time. Get ready to be amazed by the diversity of aquatic life.
Fish are the most well-known aquatic animals. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some fish are brightly colored, while others are camouflaged to blend in with their surroundings. Fish have gills that allow them to breathe underwater. They also have fins for swimming and tails for steering. Some fish, like tuna, are incredibly fast swimmers. Others, like seahorses, prefer to cling to coral and seaweed. One fascinating fish is the clownfish. These small fish live among the stinging tentacles of sea anemones. They have a special coating that protects them from the anemone's venom.
Marine mammals are a fascinating group of mammals that have adapted to live in the ocean. They are an integral part of the marine ecosystem and play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of oceanic life. This diverse group includes majestic whales, playful dolphins, agile seals, and clever sea otters. Each species has unique characteristics and behaviors that make them special. Unlike fish, marine mammals need to surface to breathe air. They have lungs, just like humans, and must come up to the surface regularly to take in oxygen. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, and their sheer size is awe-inspiring. They can be seen breaching the surface in a magnificent display of power and grace. The blue whale, for example, can grow up to 100 feet long, making it the largest animal to have ever existed. Its heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and playful nature. They are highly social animals, often seen swimming in pods and engaging in complex behaviors. Seals are excellent swimmers and divers, capable of reaching impressive depths. They come ashore to breed and rest, often seen lounging on rocks or sandy beaches. Sea otters are the smallest marine mammals, and they're famous for using tools to open shellfish. They float on their backs, using their bellies as a table to crack open their food. These animals have adapted to life in the water in remarkable ways. Their bodies are streamlined for efficient swimming, and they have specialized adaptations to thrive in their aquatic environments. They have blubber to keep them warm in cold waters, and they communicate with each other using a variety of sounds. Whales are known for their haunting songs, while dolphins use echolocation to navigate and hunt.
Reptiles such as sea turtles, sea snakes, and marine iguanas also call the ocean their home. Sea turtles are ancient creatures that have been around for millions of years. They have streamlined bodies and powerful flippers for swimming long distances. Sea snakes are venomous reptiles that have adapted to life in the water. They have flattened tails for swimming and can hold their breath for a long time. Marine iguanas are found only on the Galapagos Islands. They are the only lizards that forage for food in the ocean. These reptiles demonstrate the incredible diversity of life that has evolved to thrive in marine environments.
Section 5. Invertebrates, the spineless wonders. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. They make up the largest group of animals in the ocean. This group includes jellyfish, squid, octopus, crabs, lobsters, and starfish. Jellyfish are gelatinous creatures that float through the water. They have tentacles armed with stinging cells to capture prey. Squid and octopus are intelligent cephalopods with 8 arms lined with suckers. They can change color and squirt ink to confuse predators. Crabs and lobsters are crustaceans with hard exoskeletons and pincers for crushing food. Starfish are echinoderms with 5 arms that radiate from a central disc. They have tube feet that they use to move and to pry open shellfish.
Section 6. Coral reefs, underwater cities. These vibrant ecosystems are some of the most fascinating and vital parts of our oceans. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because of their incredible biodiversity. They support an astonishing variety of life forms, from tiny plankton to large predatory fish. They are built by tiny animals called corals, which secrete calcium carbonate skeletons. These corals, known as polyps, work together to create the intricate structures we see. Over time, these skeletons grow and form complex structures that provide habitat for a wide variety of marine life. The process is slow, but results in some of the most complex and beautiful structures in the natural world. Coral reefs are home to a dazzling array of colorful fish, invertebrates, and other marine creatures. Each species plays a unique role in maintaining the health and balance of the reef ecosystem. They are also important nurseries for many fish species. Juvenile fish find shelter and food in the nooks and crannies of the reef, which helps them grow and survive. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. It spans over 2,300 kilometers and is visible from space. These underwater cities are teeming with life and are a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. They remind us of the importance of preserving these delicate ecosystems for future generations.
Section 7. The open ocean. A world of wanderers. The open ocean is the vast expanse of water beyond the coastal areas. It is home to a variety of pelagic animals, which means they live in the water column and are not associated with the bottom. Some of the most impressive pelagic animals are the large predators, such as sharks, tuna, and billfish. These animals are constantly on the move in search of food. They have streamlined bodies and powerful muscles for swimming long distances. The open ocean is also home to smaller fish, squid, jellyfish, and other creatures that form the basis of the marine food web.
Section 8. The Deep Sea, Mysteries of the Abyss. The deep sea is the largest habitat on Earth, but it is also the least explored. The deep sea begins at about 200 meters below the surface, where sunlight starts to fade. Animals living in the deep sea have evolved unique adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. They must cope with crushing pressure, frigid temperatures, and perpetual darkness. Some deep-sea creatures have bioluminescent organs, which produce light. They use this light to attract prey, find mates, or deter predators. Others have large eyes to see in the dim light, or they rely on other senses to navigate and find food.
Section 9. Freshwater habitats, rivers, lakes, and wetlands. While the ocean covers most of the Earth's surface, freshwater habitats, such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands, are also teeming with life. These habitats are home to a diverse array of fish, amphibians, reptiles, invertebrates, and birds. Rivers and streams are constantly flowing bodies of water that originate from higher elevations and flow towards the sea. Lakes are large bodies of standing water that can be found in various parts of the world. Wetlands are areas where the land is saturated with water, either permanently or seasonally. These freshwater ecosystems are crucial for maintaining biodiversity and providing essential services such as water filtration and flood control.
Section 10. Threats to aquatic life. Our oceans, rivers and lakes are teeming with life, but these ecosystems are under constant threat. Aquatic life faces numerous threats, many of which are caused by human activities. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, no species is immune. Pollution, overfishing, climate change and habitat destruction are some of the most pressing issues. These factors are interlinked, creating a complex web of challenges. Pollution from industrial waste, agricultural runoff and plastic debris contaminates water sources and harms marine life. Toxic chemicals and microplastics enter the food chain, affecting both aquatic creatures and humans. Overfishing depletes fish populations faster than they can replenish themselves. This not only threatens the species being fished, but also disrupts the entire marine food web. Climate change is leading to ocean acidification, rising sea levels, and changes in water temperature, which can disrupt marine ecosystems. Coral reefs, which are vital to marine biodiversity, are particularly vulnerable. Habitat destruction from coastal development, dredging, and oil and gas exploration destroys critical habitats for aquatic animals. Mangroves, seagrasses, and coral reefs are often the first to suffer. These threats have far-reaching consequences, not only for aquatic life, but also for humans who rely on the ocean for food, livelihoods, and recreation. Protecting our aquatic ecosystems is essential for the health of our planet and future generations.
Section 11. Protecting our blue planet. Protecting our blue planet and its aquatic life is crucial for the health of our planet and future generations. We can all make a difference by reducing our impact on the environment, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for policies that protect our oceans and waterways. By reducing our carbon footprint, minimizing waste, and making conscious consumer choices, we can contribute to a healthier planet. Supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing plastic pollution, and promoting responsible tourism are also essential steps. By working together, we can ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the underwater world.